All right, guys, in reading today, we are going to reread our story of The Mountain That Blew Its Top. And it was a really good story yesterday. And we learned a lot of information by looking at our pictures and words, right? So today we're going to reread it and then we're going to answer the questions. So this part of the story is about a deep crater. Crater Lake is in Oregon. And I told you yesterday that Oregon is one of the 50 states in the United States. Has just the right name. It was made in a crater. A crater is a very big hole in the ground. This beautiful lake has clear blue water. It is the deepest lake in the United States. Most lakes are in low places. They are filled with water from rivers, but Crater Lake is on top of a mountain. No rivers can get to it. Only rain and snow fill it up. There is a reason Crater Lake is up so high. It was once the top of a volcano. A volcano is a mountain with a top that can blow up. Long ago, the volcano blew up. It left a big hole that looked like an empty bowl. There was nothing inside it. The hole did not stay empty. Rain and snow put water in the hole. A long time went by. The water got higher and higher, and now the hole is a lake. Trees grow around it. 2 islands are in the middle. Crater Lake is a fun place to go. People swim and play. They ride boats across the water. The lake does not look like a volcano, and it does not act like a volcano either. And everyone is happy about that. Okay. So what does the picture show? So we need to go back. It says from page 1. Does it show that the lake is a crater, the water is deep, or Oregon is a big state? So we're going to go back to page 1 right here. Does it show Oregon is a big state? No. It shows us that the lake is a crater, and it talked about it. Or that the water is very deep. We're going to say A. The lake is a crater. That's what they wanted us to know about that. How is Crater Lake different from most lakes? Is Crater Lake filled with water? Is it in a very low place, or is it on top of a mountain? How is it different? Yes, it's on top of a mountain. Remember, it used to be a volcano, and then when it exploded, it created that at the top of the mountain. We're going to go back to page 2 because it wants us to look at the picture. What can you see that makes water for the lake? So this is 2. And it told us that rain and snow fill the lake. And what do you see right here? I see snow. So we're going to say that snow has filled the lake. Very good. What does the picture show? So let's go back to page 3 to look at that picture. What does this picture show us right here? What was happening then? This was before it was Crater Lake. This is when it was still a volcano. So it looks like the volcano is erupting, right? A bowl fell in a hole. The volcano blew up, or a crater had water. What did it look like? It looked like the volcano was blowing up, right? Very good. The volcano left a deep hole. Which picture is that? Is it this one? Is it a river, or is it the top of a mountain? The volcano left a deep hole. Good, it has to be A. That's the only one that has a deep hole. Okay. What does the picture show? So it wants us to go to page 4 of the story. What does this picture show us right here? It shows us the islands. It shows us the water all around it. So let's go back and see our options. The hole stayed empty? Nope. Islands are in the lake? Yep. A tree has water on it. Well, did we see any trees in this picture? No, but we did see an island in the lake. So we're going to say B. All right, question 7. People ride in boats on the water. What part of the picture shows this? Do you see people riding on boats in the water? Which one do you see that in? Do you see in A, B, or C? In A, there's a boat. If we go back, these people are just standing on the mountain, but that person is in a boat on the water. All right, and last question. We have to make this a little bit smaller so I can see it. Think about the whole text. What is the text mostly about? Is it about an island with a river? Is it about a tree on a mountain? Is it about a lake made by a volcano? Yes, it's about a lake made by the volcano. Very good. All right, guys, make sure you have the correct answers in. And you are finished with reading for today.